Okay, go ahead. Do some climbing. Where are we at?
Snowy Range.
Snowy Range. Oh, where'd Hetty go? Ooh. Climbing with holding the camera out in front of you is not the most easy thing. You having fun, Hudson?
Yeah.
You feel like king of the world?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I have been wanting to find this for a long time.
Okay, turn around and wave at me, guys.
Hey, Mom.
And I'll turn her off. Bridger, wave.